Namaskar, myself Pratik. In this session, we are going to discuss implementation of decision tree classifier. We will discuss the code to see the value of quality matrix of our classifier. Let us start this session. To calculate the accuracy score of the model, we have to import accuracy method, which is available in the matrix sublibrary of sklearn. And as we have already imported confusion underscore matrix method from matrix sublibrary of sklearn, the same way we have to import accuracy underscore score method from the same library of sklearn. So here we are importing from sklearn.matrix import accuracy underscore score. In this method we are passing two parameters, actual and predicted values. Actual values are in ytest while the predicted values in ypredict. The accuracy will be stored in a variable named as accuracy. Let us execute these statements to check the accuracy of this model. So you can see accuracy has been calculated, and here we have the value of accuracy as 0.91. In the same way, in order to calculate precision, we have to import precision underscore score method from matrix sublibrary of sklearn. Here we are invoking this method and passing actual and predicted values, ytest and ypredict. The value of precision will be stored in precision variable. Let us execute these commands to calculate the value of precision. So you can see that the value of precision is 0.8285. This is the same value which we have calculated in our previous session. Now let us calculate the value of recall. To calculate the value of recall, we have to invoke recall underscore score method from matrix sublibrary of sklearn. Again we have to pass actual and predicted values. So the syntax is same. We just have to import recall underscore score method to calculate the value of recall. Let us execute these statements to calculate the value of recall. So you can see the value of recall is 0.90625. So we have obtained accuracy as 0.91, precision as 0.8285 and recall as 0.90625. These are the same values which we have calculated in our previous session. The procedure to calculate these quality metrics is very simple. We just have to import confusion underscore matrix method from matrix sublibrary for building confusion matrix. For finding accuracy, we have to import accuracy underscore score from the same library. For precision, we have to import precision underscore score, while for recall we have to import recall underscore score. In all these methods, we have to pass actual and predicted values. Actual values are in ytest while predicted values in ypredict. So by executing these line of code, you can easily find out the value of all the quality metrics to evaluate the performance of our confusion matrix. To further analyze the performance of our classifier, we can go for visual analysis. In next video session, we will perform visual analysis over test and training data. This is all about this session. I hope that you have already subscribed to this channel. If you have still not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel to receive latest video tutorials on topics like machine learning, data mining, DBMS, big data, NoSQL and many more. To learn DBMS, you can join this online course over Udemy platform. To learn SQL and to learn PLSQL, we have also created separate courses over Udemy. I have also authored books on data mining and data warehousing, DBMS, NoSQL, beginning with SQL and PLSQL for beginners. All these books are available at Amazon platform. To read more about this, you can refer my website pratikbhatia.com. Thanks for watching this video.